hands together for the President of the Philippine Plastics Industry Association. A round of applause for Mr. Benjamin Chua.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and valued partners. Today marks another milestone for our industry. It is an honor to stand before you at PacPrint Plus Philippines 2025, an event that continues to serve as one of the most important platforms for innovation, collaboration, and growth across our industries. For the plastic sector, this gathering is not only an exhibition. It is an opportunity to demonstrate progress, confront challenges, and present a unified vision for the future. Plastics remain among the most versatile and indispensable materials of modern life. They protect our food supply, support healthcare systems, enable safe and efficient mobility, and power countless innovations that improve quality of life. From the packaging that safeguards goods to the components that drive technological breakthroughs, plastics are embedded in every aspect of our daily existence. But as global priorities shift towards sustainability and responsible production, our industry must rise to the challenge. We must ensure that innovation and environmental stewardship move forward together. This calls for embracing advanced recycling systems, adopting smarter product designs, and forging partnerships that address both local realities and global imperatives. PacPrint Plus Philippines 2025 gives us the chance to demonstrate that high performance and sustainability are not opposing goals, but complementary ones. It is here that we share knowledge, inspire solutions, and explore new ways to make plastics not only indispensable, but also accountable in their impact. To our partners, Philippine Center for Print Excellence Foundation, PCPF, and Packaging Institute of the Philippines, PIP, it has been a privilege to collaborate with such dedicated and dynamic organizations. For more than 30 years, our joint efforts have consistently produced a showcase of this caliber, reaffirming the strength of our collective commitment. May this gathering foster fresh ideas, build enduring alliances, and strengthen our shared vision of a plastics industry that is dynamic, innovative, and deeply committed to sustainability for today and for the generations to come. Welcome to PacPrint Plus Philippines 2025. Together, let us build a stronger and more responsible future. Thank you and good day.